in your Duster 2014 or 15 model, if the AC blower is making too much of noise, there should be dust in the AC fan. So when you go to passenger seat bottom, you can see a mess like this. So there will be two screws in it. One is this, another one is near to the blue screw. Yeah, this one. So if you open that, you can see a fan. So the dust should be stuck on the fan. Once you remove the screws, you can see the fan and you can see the dust lying over. You can see those leaves, green leaves and the yellow leaves. So you need to remove those leaves through your hand. So you need to bend a little bit and then try to remove all those dust particles. I have removed all the dust now. You can see all the leaves has been removed. So now there won't be any issues in the AC blower. Try switching on the AC and check if there are any dust particles stuck into it. If it is there, just remove it as we did before. Then the sound should be very less. Thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful.